Hey everyone, summer is right around the corner and you know what that means. It's time to get our lawns looking their absolute best. Today I'm sharing my top tips for keeping your lawn green and healthy all summer long. Let's dive right in. First up, water early, water deep. The best time to water your lawn is early in the morning. This gives the grass a chance to absorb the water before the sun gets too intense. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week and make sure you're watering deeply. This encourages the roots to grow deeper, making your lawn more drought resistant. Next, let's talk about mowing. Don't cut your grass too short. It's tempting, I know, but resist the urge. Taller grass helps shade the soil, keeping it cooler and reducing water loss. Set your mower blade to about 3 inches and only cut the top third of the grass blades. Regular mowing also helps keep weeds in check. Now let's move on to feeding your lawn. Summer is the perfect time to give your lawn a little extra love with some fertilizer. Look for a slow-release fertilizer with a balanced mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This will help your grass stay lush and green all season long. Just be sure to follow the instructions on the package to avoid over-fertilizing. Alright, on to tip number 4, aerate your lawn. Over time, soil can become compacted, making it harder for water, air, and nutrients to reach the grass roots. Aerating your lawn helps break up the soil, allowing those essentials to penetrate deeper. You can rent an aerator from your local garden center or hire a professional to do the job. And finally, let's talk about dealing with pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for signs of trouble, like brown patches, wilting, or unusual spots on your grass. If you notice any issues, address them right away. There are plenty of eco-friendly pest control options available, so you can tackle the problem without harming the environment. Bonus tip: mulch your grass clippings. Instead of bagging them, leave the clippings on your lawn after mowing. They'll break down quickly and return valuable nutrients to the soil. This is an easy way to keep your lawn healthy and reduce waste. So, there you have it, my top tips for a lush green summer lawn. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in keeping your lawn healthy and beautiful. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more lawn care advice. Happy gardening, everyone!